Merry Christmas, Sister Squad, and Happy Holidays! Okay, guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about the Neater Feeder today. So my new puppy, Jaxson, he's getting older, and when he was eating, when his bowls were on the floor, it seemed like, he was straining his muscles and his bones and stuff like that because he was often like stretched, while he was eating. So we just wanted to address the situation by purchasing one of the Neater Feeder bowls. The one we have is the large size, and it has leg extensions because when he gets older, he is going to be a big dog. So we don't want to keep wasting money by having to purchase multiple bowls, so we went ahead and got him the proper size that he's going to be. So as you guys can see, just a minute ago or a second ago, crumbs came out the box. Jaxson is a very messy eater, so the Neater Feeder, hence the title, is supposed to be a nice and neat system that is comfortable for you and your pet while they're eating. So we're going to test the system out. So right now I am just cleaning up that area where his food and water bowls are. So you're going to see me sweeping, wiping out the walls, and cleaning the mat. So you guys enjoy a little music, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's speed things up, shall we? Okay, Sister Squad, so I'm back for a little minute. Before we get into our unboxing of the Neater Feeder, let's check out this black-owned business, okay? So this company is called Samcor Children's Books and More. And this company not only sells children's books for children of all ages, but they also sell household items, they sell clothing, they sell accessories, And I just wanted to give this company a shout out and kind of like spotlight this company. So if you guys are looking for last minute Christmas gifts, whatever you need, this company has it. So make sure you guys check out their website, give them a call, send them an email, stop by their storefront. The address was on the website, and I can insert a picture in just a minute or a second so you guys can get that address if you guys want to stop by, if you guys are in the area, or you know, if you live in the area, you're local, however that goes. But hold on. Okay guys, so their address is 165 Market Road in Latson, South Carolina. The zip code is 29456, and they're inside, and their booth is B88. Don't forget to check them out. They are local and they are very nice. I love the customer service. Okay guys, so let's get back to this unboxing. So here we are with the box, Neater Pets. That is the company, well, I got it through Amazon, but you know, that's the company that makes and manufactures the Neater Feeder products. Bruh. And there's Jaxson's butt. But anyway, so I am just cutting open the box, and in a minute you guys are going to see how it comes packaged and everything. So let's speed this up, okay? Okay, so right here guys, as you can see, there is the bowl right there, and that particular one is the water bowl. They make the bowls extra large because they say that big food bowls can lead to overeating, but a big water bowl keeps your pet well hydrated. So that's why they make the water bowls extra large. And of course, this is the feeding bowl where he'll eat his kibbles or some of his wet food mixed together and whatnot. And then that is the platform that holds his water and feeding bowl. Okay, so that is the logo right there. So the logo is actually, I don't know if this is like the proper term, like the logo itself is etched or engraved into the plastic, but they put a sticker over it that also has the logo on it, as you can see, and the sticker's in color. But the sticker for this bowl to be over $60, I expected everything to be spotless. Okay, so the fact that the sticker had several bubbles in it, it kind of annoyed me a little bit, because I'm like, everything should be nipped into bud, everything should be intact and in order. But I don't know if that's an issue for you guys, but that was something that I was a little concerned about. But anyway, so the things that I just took out of the box are the leg extensions. So the leg extensions do not come already assembled to the base of it. That's, I guess, for you to kind of take into consideration, like, do you think your pet needs it right now? Like, if your pet's still a puppy like Jaxson is, you can kind of wait on that and see as he gets older if he needs it. But currently right now he doesn't need it. So that is the base. And as I said, the other part is the platform that actually holds his water and feeding bowl. And that little black thing, I did not know, that was another thing that annoyed me too. Okay, that is one of the grippers at the bottom of the base that of course, like, you know, doesn't allow the bowl to slip on the floor and stuff. So that should have been inside the base. I felt like I said, this system being over $60, I expected everything to be spotless, but that's up to you. One more thing, guys. Sorry. So before I actually put food inside his bowls, I did wash the bowls. So just like how you would purchase, say, a coffee mug from the store, before you use it, you wash it. So I would recommend using some nice hot sudsy water. Of course, use a dish detergent that is safe for pets. I would consider or highly recommend washing the bowls before you allow your pet to use them. And also, I did take the extra precaution because it is COVID time to actually wipe down the base and the platform. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but I wiped everything down so that when he did eat out of it and drink water out of it, it was safe for him. Okay, guys, in this clip right here, he was really hesitant about using this bowl, so I kind of like warmed him up a little bit with treats. You want it? Come on, Jack.
Yes, just give it to him.
Really?
Just drop
Oh, he's going away.
it. Yes.
I have to fix his food. And